Hey there, welcome to Macros Coaching, and in this video I'm going to explain how this process works and what is the schedule for next 1 month. I expect a lot of confusion and doubt from your side because this is really new idea, but I hope everything gets clear. So what is the agenda for today's video? We are going to mainly discuss two things, and that is how this process work, how Macros Coaching work, and what is the schedule for next 1 month. So these two things we are going to clear by the end of this video. So who am I and why I made this? My name is Aditya. I'm an online fitness coach. I have done my BTech and MTech from IIT Delhi, and I am certified from JPS Mentorship and INFS. I am writing Australia especially because JPS is not a very popular course with the common people. Now, how this process works? So basically, it runs like a personalized coaching. If you have hired a fitness coach till now, then you may know what I am talking about. We will start with the basic form to get the training history and the dieting history from your side and the basic details, and we'll add you to the Discord group. You can get comfortable with the group and other people. After getting the form filled, we will send you the target calories, workout chart, buying list, and supplementation guide. So just like one-on-one coaching, if you hire a fitness coach, this will work as usual, but it's just that we are not going to send you the diet chart. We are going to give you the calories and macros target. After getting these things, if you have weighing scale and everything needed for this program, then you can start right afterwards. If not, then it is okay. We will wait for 3-4 days more to get your order delivered, and then we can start. So after that, we will call you from our side. So the introductory call is common with all the plans. Doesn't matter you have call back or not. In this call, we are majorly going to do the goal setting and see if you have any problem from your side with the calories and macros target. It is very important because we really wish that you know how much time it will take to reach your goal. There are no false hope from your side, and we want to ensure that we are on the same page right from the beginning. After 1 week, you have to give check-ins. You have to send check-ins after every 7 days. That is common process which will go on even after 30 days when you resubscribe to the coaching. So if you don't know about check-in, then it is completely fine because I'm going to explain what is a check-in in the next slide. So check-in is basically photos, weight, and measurements. When you work with a fitness coach online, then these are the main data or metrics that we are going to get to analyze the progress and make changes. So check-in is very important. Don't skip on it. Skipping on check-in means you are not following the program, and we know that from our side. So we have to send the photos. If you can send a video, it is better. Just cover the front, side, and back part of your body. So most of the people just take photos in the morning after waking up, right after waking up before eating anything. So if you select this, which you should because morning condition is the best, so you should do the check-in in the morning and take weight also and send it to your coach. So check-in is also very easy. So what is the schedule for next 1 month? On day one, you have to watch the videos and read the content, what you are actually doing right now, and do the goal setting. Basically, write what you want to achieve in the long term, the 10-year goal in fitness, and the short term, what you achieve in what you want to achieve in 1 year. So it is very important because when you go want to go off track or lose motivation, you have to revisit what you have written, right? It will help you to stay focused with your goal and not go off track in between. On day 2 to 5, you have to send a tracked calorie screenshots. Basically, whatever app you are using to track calories, you have to send the screenshot of the food diary on the group. It is a mandatory part. It is very important also because oftentimes many people do calorie tracking mistakes. After 7 days, you have to send the check-in. So if you started your program on Thursday, if you took photos, or if your day one is Thursday, then you have to give check-in on every Thursday after every 7 days. And on the last day, we will take the feedback. And it is also very important for us to improve and make this program better. That is the schedule for 1 month. We take this 1 month as an induction month because I expect that many of you don't know how to track calories completely. So I really hope that you go from darkness to light in this 1 month. First month is can be rough for your from your side because there is some learning curve needed in the first month, which is not uh, true in the case of one-on-one coaching where you get a diet plan. But here, first month can be difficult for you, or you may get some resistance tracking calories, but it is very easy. If you do it right, then you may not find much problem with it. So how to take full advantage of this program? You just have to take care of four things. Eat at your calorie target and macros target. It is very important to not eat anything more or anything less, right? Many clients actually do this. They eat less thinking they are going to get more result out of it, but if you eat less, you are going to hamper the whole strategy made by your coach, and it will create confusion too for the coach in the coming time. So just do what your coach says. That is the calorie part. Second is the steps. If you have a steps target, then make sure you complete your steps target every day. If you are not able to do so, then do the remaining steps the very next day. Don't keep on adding backlogs because you are not going to achieve the target of last 2 3 days in just one day. Third part is workout schedule, and fourth is the sleep. So the main essence of these four things is you have to win every day, and everything will fall in place. You just have to be patient, and you have to take care of the day. That is all you need to do from your side. Now what if you have a query? So there are two things you can do. If you have a call back, then you can schedule a call with your assigned coach. It is up to you whether you want audio call or video call. It is completely up to you. Second is the Discord group. If you have got any question and don't want to get a call, then you can ask in the group. We are all active there. So ending message. So it is very important to learn about nutrition and fitness, but you know what is more important? It is to learn and know about your own self. I am saying this because there are many paths that are going to take you to your fitness goal, but there is only one path on which you are going to face the least resistance, and to get to that path really quick, you should know about yourself. With time, you are going to realize this more and more, what I am saying here. So, if we divide our life into three parts, generally people divide their life into two parts only: their personal life and professional life, which they focus on, but they often ignore their body. So, we have to take care of three things from now on: fitness, personal life, and professional life. But from now on, you are not allowed to take stress about fitness. You can take stress about your career or personal life, but definitely not fitness, because you have literally outsourced your problem to us. It is our work to make your life easier when it comes to fitness. So don't take any stress about it from now on. If you have any event or social gathering coming, just put it in the group. Don't take stress about it. If you got off your target for one day and not sure if you will be able to follow along in the coming days, just put it in the group. So basically what I am saying here is, doesn't matter how small of a problem you are facing, just put it in the group and let us handle the problem. Don't take stress about it again. You have some fitness coaches by your side, and it is our work to make your life easy. So if you get stressed from any problem, just put it in the group. At last, I just want to say that if you have a problem with anyone or any process at Nutrition Buddy, then please let me know. My main focus is to improve the quality of service. It is not to increase the valuation of company or acquiring more and more customers, but to actually improve the quality of service and make it the world's best service possible we can give right from India. So again, thank you for subscribing to our coaching services, and I hope you have a great time here with us.